That's the storm of the year, 35 centimeters fallen.
Whew. Whew. Ha. Yoo. Ooh.
The biggest snowstorm never seen since 2018.
Ooh, we can't see farther than 400 meters. Oh my God.
As you can see, the visibility is not further than 400 meters.
Look at the...
Watch the Kemendu Roy, totally recovered with snow. The traffic is dangerous because of possibility of layer of ice underneath.
The snow plow, the plow truck has not...
That's a real blizzard, as it should be called as so. The other snowstorms were a real joke.
Yet. Yes.
The snowplow or plow truck, call this as you will like it, wasn't past cleaning the street yet. The company isn't always doing its job. How shameful.
Whew.